Grabe, what a day. Happy Monday, guys. That was so busy. That was a long day. Ano oras na? 11:31 p.m. Pero kasi, hindi pa naman tapos pa araw ko, guys. Kasi, meron pa akong meetings. Like, 2 meetings. 1 report, 1 catch-up meeting with internal team. And then, gagawa lang akong report for tomorrow and for today. So, yun lang. After that, I'm done. Kasi, I've been working since kanina pang mga 2 p.m. So, I believe every Monday talaga are my longest days kasi nga mga I work until like 2 to 3 a.m. Ganun. And it's something that I need to fix right now, body clock ko. And I'm looking forward to fix that schedule and talk to my clients para may though flexi naman sa lahat, para may heads up lang sa like what time and am I working with them or for them. So, yeah. For the meantime, meron akong meeting report in 28 minutes. So, let me prepare myself for that report first and I'll get back to you, okay? Happy Tuesday. Oo, tinulukan ko kayo kagabi. Kanina pala. So, I'm so happy, naka 8 hours plus ako. Akala mo SPF, no? Naka 8 hours plus akong sleep. And today's another day. Ako yung nakapag-meeting lang with my other client right after the meeting. Ito na. Nag-hello ko sa inyo. And then, samahan nyo lang sa araw na to dahil maraming mangyayari. Let's go, mga mi. Matcha for the day is this one. Let's have this. Let us open some packages. Kakatapos ko lang mag-meeting. May dumating na packages from TikTok shop. And what is the first one? Okay. Ala! Ito bang ganito ang box ng person? Hello? What happened? Fuck! Wait lang. Hala, ito ng aking bagong tumbler. Hala, so aesthetic, guys. It's very, 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 aesthetic. Tama ba? Yes, may kasama siyang vlog straw. So, we have lagay ng water. Hala, cute niya, diba? We have lagay ng... Ang bango niya, we have lagay ng water. It's very, very aesthetic. Oh, yes! Gamitin na natin to bukas. This is my current one. So, I have another one. So, dalawa na sila. Okay. Now, let us open another package. Ito na ata yung Century Tuna na binili ko. Kasi guys, sa Threads may nakita akong Century Tuna na ang laman ay tuna with a little bit of pasta and herbs and spices. So, it's a very good snack. Pwede rin pang breakfast. Ayan. So, at least protein na may konting carbs. Ayan. So, let us open the package. Package. You like it? Ay, ang dami. Ayan. Pak! Ito na nga guys. Oh, ito yung Century Tuna na flakes herb pasta. Oh, di ba? Bongga. Tabi nga natin yan ng may pang breakfast tayo. Say mo, breakfast. Say mo dahil, breakfast. I-comment nyo dyan. Breakfast. Ganon. Itapon natin. So, I bought 6 cans of Century Tuna. Let us open this. Ito ata yung binili kong hula hoop. Alam mo, may pina-follow ako sa may pina-follow ako sa Instagram. Obese din siya. Nag 600 pounds siya ngayon. She's at 300 or 200 plus pounds na lang. From America. Ang sa workout niya is yung hula hoop. Pero kakaiba siyang hula hoop ni. Ito siya, oh. Wala, ito na nga yun. Pak! Ito na po yung hula hoop na binili natin ni. I bought 3 because, tawag dito. I bought 3 because hindi ko alam kung kasya sa akin. Pero apparently, pwede siyang idikit-dikit. So, ito po siya. Yung may ball. Kasi ikot-ikot ko siya. So, makita nyo to sa aking next na workout. Hopefully, magkasya. Ipapaset up ko pa siya, O, kasi hindi ako marunong. Happy Wednesday, everyone. It's a rainy Wednesday. For some reason, ngayong week, umuulan talaga. Matcha cheers! Medyo naging super busy ako this past few days. I don't know what's with this week, pero I feel like I'm super swamped with work. There were days na I was about to go out. Dapat ngayon meron akong lunch, a brunch meet up or appointment with a friend from Cebu. Pero hindi siya natuloy because natapos ako ng late last night and hindi ko kaya magising ng ganong kaaga. So, yung mga ganong eksena. Let us now open some parcels. Yes, may parcel na naman ng gay. I know, Jam. Tipid ka na. Sorry, tipid ka na. Ito na yung ating, crackers para pag tayo ay, ito yung nabibili sa TikTok, yung advertise kapag ikaw ay nagugutom. Ayan, pwede kang kumain ng gantong crackers on the side. Ito guys, ayan siya. So, ang natitikman ko pa lang dito ay yung nasa gitna yung yellow. So far, so good. Hindi naman siya nakadagdag sa aking timbang. I mean, it has calories, but like, hindi siya yung biggest contributor. Okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya, hindi mataas. Based on experience. So, yes! What is this? Tatlong parcels natin, guys. So, ito yung second to the Kumburu. By the way, nagamit ko na yung ating new tumbler. So aesthetic, di ba? Sarap. Sarap ng tubig. Ano to? Ay, dumating na itong probiotics from Lola's. Tama ba? Lola's? Am I right? Hala? Laura's. Laura's, ayan. From Laura's. Ayan. So, eto kasi, minessage nga ako. Nakita niya si Monmon. I think sa Instagram. And then, sabing, hey, can I send you some probiotics for Monmon? And I was like, yes, let's create a video out of this. So, wow. So, apparently you add this to the food of Monmon or your puppy, and then it will help with their gut health. So, let's check this out. Okay, let's check these out. Thank you, Laura. Salamat po, Laura. And lastly, another package. Hindi ko na alam kung anong ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. Akin ba to? Akin ba to? Yes, sa akin siya. May times kasi na napunta sa akin pero hindi mo pala sa akin. So, kawawa yung totoong may-ari kasi inunahan ko siya magbukas ng kanyang package. Diba? Ganoon. Ano naman to, me? Ano naman binibili ni Jam? Kaya guys, ayoko na mag-TikTok kasi doon tayo nadadali sa TikTok, kung ano-anong dumadaan. What's this? Ay, ito yung... Huh? Anong laman nito? Wait lang. I know I ordered one only. But let's see. Baka hindi ko siya nabasa or something. Pero guys, lately, nag-a-addict ako sa baso dahil sa matcha series ko. At talaga namang siguro magbaso tour tayo bukas. Ayusin ko, pero nakaka-addict siya. Ala-anim nga, ate. Grabe. Anim nga siya. Aanhin. Akala ko isang piraso lang. Pero this is how it looks like. Oh, ang liit lang pala niya, te. Ano to? Shot glass. Kakaloka. Pero let's see kung magagamit natin siya elsewhere. But yeah, let's see. Or pang decor or whatever. Pero ilalagay ko muna siya dito dahil hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya gagamitin. Akala ko malaki. Hindi pala. Ayan. Maliit lang pala siya. Sabi ko, ha? Kaloka. Hey guys, happy Thursday. Today I sing it workout tayo, upper body. It's 11ish, 11 something ng gabi. Yes, at may meeting ako ng 12 kaya I need to start moving, and then after that I'm gonna do walking, and then tuloy-tuloy work. My protein powder is Will na melon milk. So I've been using Will ever since I started, except for last year na may ginamit akong local product. Local din naman to. Another product na medyo nagka-issue na hindi pala siya like approved or something. So I switched back. After that, I switched back to Will again. And masarap siya dahil madami siyang flavors. And this is one of my favorite talaga. was my fastest workout. Dapat pala wala akong cellphone at laptop para tuloy-tuloy workout ko. Grabe. 11:50 ang aking call time. Ay, 11:50 na ng gabi. 12 midnight ang aking meetings. I have 10 minutes to prepare for that. Let's go. Busy Friday, mga last work day of the week. Grabe, I came from outside. I came from the restaurant client, so I aligned with my, of course, my GR team, and then after that we plan for next week, and then work for Coconut, and wala na stuck ako kasi ang dami kong hinabol for the week. Ayan, so now it's time to rest. Tomorrow, kita-kita tayo sa isang cafe. I'm planning to work there for the whole day para maiba naman yung environment. I had to go home right away from the from the restaurant kasi hindi ako pwedeng kumain ng kahit anong food doon kasi nga naka-meal prep ako. So, hindi naman ako pwedeng kumain ng baon ko doon kasi nakakahiya naman, may mga guests with akong baon. So, strict kasi ang aking diet na Monday to Friday. So, tomorrow, pagdating ko sa cafe, that's when I can work with there. I can eat like a portion there, and yun, mas sustainable dahil malabas ako on a weekend instead. Grabe, this week is such a busy week. Nakita nyo naman, halata na sobrang busy. And halata ang kakagising ko lang. As in, like, pag uwi ko from my meeting sa restaurant, kung saan ako nag-work, ay natulog ako. Nakatulog ako dahil pag-gising ko, eto na, madaling araw na. At ako yung mag-work at magtatapos ng report. Dahil may reporting ako ng Monday and Tuesday na pang malakasan. That's my weekend. Tomorrow, meal prep. So, see you guys there. Good morning, mga mi. Happy Sunday! Hala, akala mo naman. Kakaloka. Last day of the week, so tayo mag-meal prep. In-order ko na lahat via Grab. No? Grab Mart. Built-A-Mart ako usually bumibili. And, oh my gosh, excited ako mag-meal prep. Hindi ka nakakapagod mag-meal prep tayo, mabagal ako kumilos, pero you know, we'll see. Mali mo, we get better from week to week. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Tayo ay mag-meal prep na kahit mukha tayong syunga. Go! So, habang hinihintay natin ang aking delivery, kasi hindi pa dumadating. I think through this video, makita nyo na pag sinabi nating freelancer ay hindi hayahay, hindi madali. Busy din kami. We're still occupied talaga when it comes to work hours. No, talagang ganyan kami, yan ang buhay namin. Lalo na kaming mga flexi kasi kami mga flexi na may multiple clients, ako may 3 clients, ay talaga namang nasa-spread out yung work hours namin kung hindi kami ganun ko-organized. Pero kasi ako, may mga days na I feel like, my head is not, is not giving, no? Yung creativity is not giving, hindi gumagana ang brain cells ko. So, hindi ko siya pinipilit, lalo na nasa marketing and creatives ako. So, hindi ako pwede gumawa ng isang konsepto o ng isang strategy na hindi gumagana yung isip ko. Kaya may mga days na, imbes na mag-shift ako ay itutulog ko muna, tas I work over the weekend. Ganun nangyayari sa akin. And as someone who has a position in every client, ay talagang nasa akin yung mga reports, analysis, ganon. So, medyo kakaloka. Pero, still blessed, still happy. But, again, I'm happy kasi now, my life is balanced. Talagang may time ako for fitness, for work, and mas active ako yun. Mas active talaga ako yun. I walk, I work out, yung mga ganyang bagay. Plus, of course, ang aking meals ay very, very, alam mo yun, very, 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 hala, blueberry, strawberry, very, very meal prep, ganon. Very controlled, and controlled siya. So, okay ang diet ko this week. So, I'm very, very happy mga mima.